Bonjour French ladies, it's Marianne. Have you ever wondered what makes simple clothes special? We French women very much love simple and classic clothes. In this video, I will show you pieces of clothing and what they have that is special. And really that is the little secret that French women love. And please stay to the end for my bonus item. So let's start with that item number one. And what makes our items special? The silk blouse from Lily Silk, really warm to the complexion. And the detailing that makes it special is this chain here on the collar with two buttons, and that makes it a little bit different. And you also have on the cuffs a gold button. Again, that's a little detailing that makes it different from other blouses. And of course, by wearing such a blouse, you will be different from other people. Have a look at your items, at your blouses, at your clothes. Can you see a little detailing that makes this piece extra special? Next, another silk blouse from Lily Silk. This detailing is different. You have a gold bar here with a pearl at the side to hold the lavalier. So that is something special again. Let's not forget the back. We have two little buttons and we have a peephole. This makes it a little different, a little inattendu, you know, a touch of the unexpected, something you don't see straight away, but when the person moves or when the person turns around, you see that little detailing, and that makes it special and something that we French women really like in our outfits. At the front, this blouse is very prim and proper, but when you turn around, then you have this little sexy peephole. Now, a jacket. This is a new jacket from Luisa Spagnoli. This one replaces my really old Chanel style jacket that I have had for years and I've been wearing for years. Absolutely adored it. Why is this one a little special? Which little detailing, little secret that I absolutely love? Well, the jacket is black, it's nice, but you know, what's different? What is special with this jacket? Well, you see, when the wearer moves, you can see little shimmers. You have those little sequins placed here. There's one here, one there, you know, in a few places, so that it attracts the eye. It brings the light in and almost calls you, oh, look at it, look here, look here. It attracts the eye, but it is still very subtle. And that's something, again, in the little detailing that we French women love in our garments. This subtlety. It is not always something, oh, look at me, but it is there. And also you have the pocket, and you have a silver button on each pocket. That is beautiful. And you also have some braiding. Again, very subtle, all along the collar and down the sides on the front and along the pocket. A classic look jacket, but it has these little detailing that, you know, set it apart. And also you have a little gourmet here in metal. So let us know in the comments below, what about your own clothes? What is the little detailing that you absolutely adore in some of your pieces? Next, let's have a look at my sailor's cap from Stetson. It has some braiding here and a couple of knots here on either side and some other braiding here. And that again makes it special. That goes all over the back here. So it has this detailing that is no longer plain, but it has this little bit extra. And here again, you have a metal tab here. It's not in your face, it's very subtle. So let's have a look. I love that cap. So you can see that those little detailing, it's not only in a jacket or in a blouse, in a piece of clothing, can also be in accessories. So let me show you now my beloved loafers from Tory Burch. They have that gold gourmet, gold chain at the front, with a T for Tory Burch. And look at the heel. It's also got that gold gourmet all around the heel. So it's got it here on the side, but also on the inside here. That makes it special. We love our loafers. So anything that sets it apart is nice. Next, this is a suit from Betty Barclay. I've had it for 15 to 20 years. I'm not sure exactly, but as you know, I'm a French woman, so I keep my clothes for a long time. I have been wearing this jacket on occasion on videos, and every time I have been asked, Marianne, what a lovely shirt you have in the jacket. But it is not a shirt which is part of the jacket. So it looks like I am wearing a frilled blouse underneath, but it is not a shirt. Again, that's a beautiful detailing. Absolutely love this jacket. And look also, the frill appears at the cuffs. Absolutely love this jacket. And you can see that even though it is vintage, I can still be wearing it now. And again, its little detailing is ultra special. And now for the trousers that go with the jacket, a pair of tailored trousers. But where is that detailing that makes it special? It is at the hemline, and you have again that pleated material, see-through, and again that adds a little bit of sexy all along the side. You have the detailing that adds a little hint of sexy, and again everything in our outfit, for us French women, we like the subtlety. It is something that we're going to pick over something else. Next is my navy wide leg trousers. These are from Ralph Lauren, and you can see the detailing here, the row of buttons on the side of the Italian pockets and a gold button here at the middle. This is really nice because as well as having something extra, a little upgrade if you like, it is also slimming. So you see again a detailing here that not only add something extra but also visually slimming, because it points towards your slimmer, narrower waistline. And now for my bonus item, and it is this jacket from Sumisura. Maybe you don't know about Sumisura, but it's a brand that lets you actually design your pieces with the measurements, and you can choose the fabric, you can choose the style of your pieces and the lining, buttons, everything. So I actually designed this piece, and I'm going to show you the little detailing that I chose. First of all, you can see here a little bit of pink for the buttonhole, so that's a little bit different. And for the button, I chose a little bit of pink as well. Also the 3 buttons at the sleeves here with pink in the middle. Inside, I chose this lining. So it is a light pink floral. I did not choose too much. That would be enough. It is something that I've chosen, something that I love, the floral, and it's in pink. So I really like it. So here you are, the little style secret that we French women love. On screen now is a playlist of video that will show you even more of the style secret that we French women love. I hope you enjoyed this video. Au revoir.